How to change your Instagram password even if you forgot it. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how can you change your Instagram password even if you forgot it. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now there are a couple of different ways to do it. So now let's consider that if you're unable to log in and you're stuck in the login or sign in page. There you could go ahead and click on forgot password, enter in the email address or the contact info, and they will be able to send you a reset link or some sort of verification code which will help you to change your password. Now and then let's consider that you're already logged in but you do not remember your password. So what next you want to do is open up the application, and then you want to click on the initials and you want to click on the bar icon. After you've taken this page, you want to go to account center, and then you want to go ahead and click on password and security. Here basically you have to make sure to click on change password. So then if you have a multiple account, you want to select it accordingly. As you do it, so then click on forgot your password. So when you click on forgot your password, then you could see that the link has been sent to the following or registered account. So you just have to make sure to open it up and then check for the information. And with that being said, you'll be able to then email address with the help of the reset with the help of the code. So that is how you could change your password even if you forgot it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.